Ya ma-Afrika thina sicindezelwe isandla somlungu. Ngithi bafowethu, when your leader start changing position that fundamentally informed his politics, but at certain point your leader is starting to take new positions on the matter that were so clear and uncontested, you must know that your revolution is at great stake in that moment. Yey bafowethu, uyabona bonke labo namhlanje sithukana ngapha. They were once in one team. They were once in one team, united and common in purpose and action. I'm talking about Jacob Zuma. I'm talking about Thabo Mbheki. I'm talking about Terra Lekota. At least that mention those. Yes, ashintsha abafethu izinto ngendlela. Sesitshelane naka mhlawumbe niqala manje ukuyilandela ipolitiki. Ngoba abanye bena basithukayo nje, niqale manje ipolitiki uyilandela. I-background ayikho. Sicela ukunisiza abafethu, hayi kabi. Kodwa phela ngaqhubeka nithuke up until imqondo yenu ivuleke. Because we can't force change. Change is a process. So if your starting point is in Hlamba, it's okay. Just carry on like that. But at least nje mawulalela noma ngendlebe yodwa, you'll pick up here and there. Terra Lekota namhlanje lo osephenduke i-tamed lion. Yey, bekuyibhubesi lelo. Terra Lekota bekuyibhubesi. Ngisho noZuma bebazi ukuthi uthotha utholo on debate, on content, on vision, on articulation of points. Terra Lekota, bewingalabesi leyo. Awuzashintsha izinto bafowethu. At certain point ngizoyajomba nje okuningi. Uyeke lokhu beNombheki bezama ukuxosha uZuma everything. Because I know ngathi Zuma amaningi bavele kuvaleke ukuthi nguye emakhanda bagcina bangasezwa lutho. But this same Terra Lekota engintshela kwakuyingalabesi, just watch his videos from ekhulu emncane. We had the greatest revolutionary coming in there. It's greatest. But the end of Terra Lekota, fast forward, he was asking us questions like, who is not our people? Who is our people? Terra Lekota guys ubengasazi ukuthi our people are black oppressed class that is suffering from the system of oppression by the white person and the white system itself. Bengasazi, uphume epolitiki engasazi ukuthi ubani ammele. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngepolitiki abafuna ukuthi wenzana ama-revolutionaries ethu. Thabo Mbheki naye ubuzile umbuzo kaTerra Lekota. Kuyasho ukuthi ukubambisana kwabo kulwisa uZuma vele bebe-same school of thought. Ubuzile noMbheki la ekugcineni njengoba usagcinile phela uMbheki manje bafethu ushukela usekho. Futhi vele akaze umuntu olandelwa yiningi labantu. Besimhlonipha nje kuphela ngoba we believed in his brain. Ubuzile noMbheki nalo mbuzo ukuthi who is our people? Who is not our people? Yeah, bafethu uyabona masebekakile abelungu. Babeka la bakhuluma nawe wabalalela kakhulu. Yebo kuyashintsha umqondo. That's why ngithi mina kunina yekani ukulalela kakhulu abelungu. Ngoba uzojikela ingqondo yakho ungazi. Uyithi kusubuza imibuzo ukuthi who is not our people. All the years of struggle. Ulelo muntu omnyama all of the sudden. Ngoba usuhlala yakho labelungu aphuza labo bhiya. Usokhohlwa ukuthi who is our people. Yey, ngoba abantu ngisho abakunaka nje mfethu umuntu osehlala yakho nabelungu akuphume nje kwipolitiki. Kodwa ubuka umuntu omnyama onabangani abangabelungu mhlawumbe umbone ukuthi uyaqhubeka lebe umuntu ofanayo. Hey, uvela phenduka inhlabusi nje ongazi. Inhlabusi sekwenze nje. Umbone nje ubone ukuthi kusenginefase eningi empilweni la. Uhlala kakhulu labelungu. Wabalala kakhulu bazokudunga la kanti ngicela ungasazazi. So lo Mbheki ubuzile eminye imibuzo uMbheki ayibuzile uthe abantu bazowenzana umhlaba. Hey madoda, a fundamental pillar ubuyisa umhlaba kubantu abamnyama. uMbheki ubuza ukuthi abantu umhlaba bazowenzana. Yena mayebuka abantu umhlaba bawufunela nje ukwakha imizi, hayi ngoba befuna uqala amabhizinisi. Hawu Mbheki, bese economic transformation siyifasetha kanjani singawarana amabhizinisi ngomhlaba masobuyile kuthina? uthi asinikeze umhlaba ongangenakhuza, ongangeziza, ongangegceke, ngoba si-useless ngaloo ndlela thina abamnyama Mbheki. Uthi umhlaba nje siwufunela ukwakha izindlu thina. Kulo 80% abantu abamnyama khona South Africa, none of us can want umhlaba for the purpose of farming. Kulama black farmers asinawo vele already. You think we can upscale that? Angublame utamkhulu Mbheki, kuphela amandla baba, umlungu wakufunza kakhulu wathi buyela uyoshintsha imisebenzi yakho emihlo yenzile lelo muntu omnyama, but udinga ukusurvive njengamanje. So asking those questions, it makes you relevant to the white people who've got money who will help you retire nicely. But angikhulumi ke nawe, ngikhuluma nathi esimnyama. When your leader start changing language, be careful, because your revolution is at stake in that moment. Be aware. And you must listen carefully. And sometimes aqala kwi-language, uqala kwi-posture, general posture. Uyabona ingakho ithi mina bafethu, ingixolele bafethu be-EFF. Nginenkinga ne-posture ka-EFF njengamanje. Yokuthi befile more comfortable ukwestion umsholozi than to use whatever available opportunity to push the struggle of black oppressed forward. Let's say uZuma bafethu wenzile konke lokho kubi nikhala ngakho. But fact now, Zuma is presenting an opportunity for black people to unite with MK. And nibhizi nibuza umbuzo entweni esingayishongo. Akekho umuntu othi akuphela iMK EFF iphenduke ibe abalandeli bakaZuma. Abantu baloko bebuzela ku TikTok, why we should unite under Zuma. Hey, forget there's no uniting under Zuma we're talking about here. We are saying the same way DA collaborates with ANC. That's what we want to see between EFF and MK party. DA is still DA, ANC is still ANC, but they have a clear united front. Ukuthi ba push agenda yomlungu. Sithi ke nathi ke phela ama MK nani ma EFF fighters asibe ne agenda nathi clear ukuthi sihlangene la si push agenda. Sibe na very clearly outlined objectives and milestones esifuna ukuachieve to push umuntu omnyama over a very clear time frame. That's what we're asking for. Asisho ukuthi uZuma kuba umfundisi wenu, asisho uZuma mthandeni. Abanye abantu ngabemthanda uZuma siyamukela. Futhi vele nabanye bethu ngabemthanda uMalema siyamukela. Kodwa asibe ne clear plan of action as black oppressed movement. Sibe ne strength se collaboration between MK party and EFF. We're not saying thandana uZuma now. We're not saying valani EFF nizongena kumkhonto nonke nibe umkhonto. Well, lathi simfuna umuntu ongafuna ube umkhonto. But sithi ake sikhuleni la, sinyuse izinga of our struggle. Sifunde ukusebenzisana noma ngabe sihlukene ngokwama political parties. But egcineni kwelanga sonke silonto omnyama. Yini elikhulu ngalonto leyo ma EFF? What is complicated lento? Sitha kuyeka ubutha phatha MK ne EFF. Ukuthi manje mangathiwa manje uyasuka uNhlamulo uya kwi-MK, sorry uyasuka uNhlamulo uNdlela, uyasuka uya kwi-FF. Sefethi sixabalene ne-FF thina. And let me tell you the future before it happens. Khona ama-members asazosuka MK IFF. Kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi sekuyofe manje akuvele kuxatshwane kuzondwane. It means bafethu asiko serious ngestruggle. We cannot allow any small piece to be a reason substantive enough to divide black people. And kube lula nje ukumukela lokho. Hayi, there should be a clear vision here. Sifuna ukuhlanganisa abantu abamnyama ukubuyisa umhlaba back. Ukushintsha nokutransforma ama-patterns and forms of ownership of economic means of production. That's what we want to do. To benefit the black person. I'm sure asiphambani lapha ma-EFF. Iloko ke bafuna ukuyona vision yethu. Kodwa ke ngithoka manje. Check the language of your leaders. Check the posturing of your leaders. Because I've seen greatest revolutionaries being lost to the right-wing politics. Ngiyanicela nibuke la ke MK phakathi asibagade abayiholi bethu. La kwi-FF asibabheke ngoba ziyashintsha izinto. That's why lokho ngithi mina uZuma is a serious, very rare case. Umuntu of his age, abukakale committed the struggle of black people. But normally kuleya age, usufuna associate nabantu abanama resources, khona uzoretire comfortably. But ke yakodwa uDunusi impela hayi iyangidida. Iyalwa. Futhi yabo ukuthi iyolo kuzoba umzuzu wokugcina. Bafethu ngasiphinde simthole umuntu ofana noZuma. I doubt. Angaze ngibone mina idiscipline necommitment engaka revolutionary to the last minute of his life. Njoba ngishilo ukuthi ngibabonile abaningi mina aba serious beshintsha language endleleni. Who knew that Mbheki and Zuma would be enemies at a certain time? Because of issues of power. So sincere skin bafethu yokuluza nokudraga nokulay struggle sethu because of egos. Because of egos. And abantu, they quickly want to claim his posture elenganozo. Bafethu yekani nina bomalema nabayi yekani lento kufuna ukuniqalaza nifuna ukuclaim iposture elenganozo. Guys, you still have a long way to go. You are even younger than him. It's a great future ahead of you. And don't think that right now saluting Zuma will be your permanent damage. And by the way, we are not even asking you to salute Zuma. You will salute when you see importance for salutation. If you don't. But it's advisor corner. Don't think that now by being aggressive to Zuma, you'll earn respect efana nelingana yakhe. Ukube niyafunda, fabe nibonile ama recent elections. The guy is tough. The guy is seasoned. And usazoniprovela ngoba ningani. Uyabona uyazi 2026. Uzoniphulela amasaka uZuma bafethu. Ngoba anifuni ukufunda. Ukube nikhaphile abantu ezulo uFloyd. Bese sisebenze kamnandi kabi. Yabona indaba uThumpo ufamela uZuma uFloyd. This is good progress. Good progress. But the problem ama-ego abantu bajahe ukuba kwi-same stage noZuma. Bajahe ukubukeka bekwi-same level noZuma. Hayi guys. Lo muntu akayicelanga respect asimnikeza yona. Simnikeze out of his work. Asimnikezanga ngoba wa-undermine ama-seniors akhe. Akayitholanga uZuma le respect ayithola ngaleyo ndlela. Nina sesimethode wrong yoku-undermine yena ngoba you think that will give you i-status lingana nesakhe. It's a wrong method, it won't work. uZuma le respect ayitholile. It's because we have reached a point where we can't doubt his loyalty to Black Revolution. And there are key things he has done. Well, but be aware, it's not our burden to teach you those things. Read about Zuma if you have interest. If you are not having interest, Funda, sorry, shame, we can't help you. Funda, before you criticize any subject, and you a scholar, before you criticize any subject, you do literature review, extensive one, to have informed criticism. So, abanye abantu bancane nifunde kabi ipolitiki nayifunda kwinhlantomu nemhumeko. So, nifunde ipolitiki nini sisesigabeni personality politics. That's why namanje bazama ukunisusa ekutheni yekani ukuthi Zuma that Malema that lokukompara lama leaders as if our struggle is about Zuma and Malema. Our struggle is about uniting the black people to liberate us from the white oppression. uZuma no Malema, they are contributors to the struggle, but not the struggle itself. Utangithatha ukuthi uyibona lezi zinto. Yey, bafowethu, bigger picture here is liberating black people. Is not projecting Zuma above all or projecting Malema above all. Focus.